So society, marketing, advertising, media, even the way we make our consumer choices and other life choices are based on being emotional beings rather than rational beings. Right? And that permeates a lot of our thinking. Yeah? That seems really good. That's wonderful. That's this, that's that. And that even permeates our language. For example, how much exaggeration we use in our language. And some of it, nobody's saying to be BRPs, right? Boring, rational people. One can have joy, but to be rational, to make choices that are for our good. Right? And that's something that religion takes very seriously. Why? Because religion has come to address the intellect. And it calls those of intellect to make considered choices that are for the good, for themselves and others, in this life and the next, towards the ultimate good. That's how we should be. However, part of even the way we are educated is that we do not train our rational faculty. We are trained to be economic animals. But economic animals that are part of a system where we are cogs in a system rather than considering what our own material, what our own true benefit is. So the way we look at things is colored by this. And one of the basic cogs of sound thinking is that we should think about things by what they are. There are four fundamental questions that anything you should be thinking about, which are what, why, how, and then whether and when. What is it? And the best way of thinking of something is to understand the reality of something. And you can define things, the scholars of logic tell us, either by its essence or reality, or you can define something descriptively. Right? But training ourselves to think clearly is one of the ways we honor ourselves, or we embrace the divine honor of the human being rather than being merely emotional animals. Because then we are like puppets in someone else's show, right? Which is not what you were created to be.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله